thousands of dollars. 32,000, no. Last day at sea. Last day on the ship. We get to Washi. Into the buffet we go. First thing greeted on both sides is usually cold meats and cheeses, breads, some mixed salads. You can make a sandwich. And on the other side, small salad station. Some pre-made pasta salad. Some fresh fruits over here. Apples, pears, bananas. Coffee station. We have fruit punch, iced tea and water, lemonade. Along with some breads on the other side of that. Come into the main area. And we'll go right. On the right you get the garlic tiger shrimp today. A lot of nice pre-made sandwiches and breads. And burgers and hot dogs. And accoutrements. Mac and cheese. French fries. And chili con carne with cheese sauce. In the center, some, I guess, antipasta type things, breadsticks, some rice, fish curry, some Indian dishes, St. Louis style barbecue ribs, chicken wings, ratatouille, Moroccan couscous, spaghetti and pasta with bolognese sauce, gravy for the carving station. Today they have a roast beef brisket. Horseradish, more gravy. On this side they have some chicken wings with chili, sweet chili sauce, some more ribs, roasted potatoes, grilled catfish, vegetables and rice, and some fruits, watermelons, pineapple, and cantaloupe, things like that. Over in the middle here they have some desserts, a lot of mousse type things, chocolate fondue, some gluten-free things, some custard tarts, some green jello, pistachio pound cake, peach almond pie, strawberry mousse, chocolate bar, and some cookies. They don't have the chocolate chip cookies very often, but they had some back there today. Right there. I've already had one, so I'm not having any more. And that's pretty much it. It's the same on both sides. Like you see over here, there's hot dogs, hamburgers, etc. That's always a specialty station there. Seating is usually quite congested, I find. So come in off times and you'll do better. Or try to snag a seat by the door like we do on this little rail. You got a nice ocean view. It's a lot quieter over here. Hi, love. And you get this beautiful view. This is a little area just outside the solarium on the Grandeur of the Seas. At these windows is the spa area. And the stairs go up to deck 10 towards the rock climbing wall. On deck 9, I brought a chair out. I got my own balcony. Bonus. Pro tip. Secret spot. Do it. Just chilling by the solarium pool, reading a book, having a dip, having a little lunch, had a little fancy cocktail, had a little nappy. Ah, the cruise life. This is the South Pacific Lounge. This is where they have a lot of game shows like The Quest. They had some football on here. They do karaoke here at night. It's a decent sized lounge with pretty good sightlines for when things are happening on the stage. It's in fairly good condition, I would say. Like it's dated in some of its decor, but some of the seats are a little worn, I would say. But for the age of the ship, 1996 it was built. The lounge is still in good shape. Back here is also the Diamond Lounge for Diamond and Diamond Plus members and anybody above that. If it had some fresh fabric, soft cushions, things like that, something to modernize it a little bit, I think it would be that much better. But overall, decent sized lounge and holds quite a few people. This is the aft of the ship, the back of the ship. That looks out to usually the wake. Looking like a good wake view. Last night, starting with tiramisu soup. Nope, we're starting with tomato soup, followed by tiramisu at the end. And we both got Greek salad. Looks good. Soup is excellent. Tiramisu, apple blossom with vanilla ice cream, and what did you get, Jane?
What is it called?
Strawberry cheesecake?
No, it's like leche.
Dolce leche something like that, which I think means a whole bunch of milk. I'm not even sure. But between the three of them, I think we should figure it out.
There we go, let's hear it for the Grandeur crew looking after you for 9 nights.
Winner! Woohoo! Thousands of dollars. 32,000, no, $32.40. Hey, better than the $5 I put in there. Guess what I do? Cash out! Here we go, love. Paid for dinner at Giovanni's. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of future videos. Share it with somebody you like, and don't forget, stay safe and be nice to each other.